Kaya tabay. Sita man taanay, matay helmet. Kagwapo sa akong kamagwangan, oy. And we went to SM City for his chiro appointment. Sir, gutom na, so nag-lunch me. Kaya wala mi pamahaw. And he wanted to try this ice skate thingy. Medyo palamuot kaya he has to use that polar bear. Ako siguro, ana, hagbay ra na dakdak akong lubot. I didn't even bother to try. Maulawan niya ko. No thanks. After that, we bought some chocolates. Ordered chocolate-coated mango. Lamian ra ba kayo? Very pure. Kay gabi naman, he needed to find a ride. He wanted to do something different this time. Gusto siya mo try aning dako. Kay sige lang mag-taxi, piot na daw. 300?
Cool.
Ha?
Only small price, ma'am.
Only small price. We're going to NuStar. Sa oras na nun. Medyo late night na, pero we're still going anyway. Feels like Las Vegas, huh?
There we are now.
Whoa, we're at NuStar, guys. Feeling mo, basang naka sa Pinas. Parang feeling mo, maraka na sa Vegas. Tapos sila casino. Holy moly.
Cebu or are we
I mean,
in Las Vegas?
Las Vegas. Where are we?
I just want to see it. It's really it's so hard. It's like Las Vegas in here. Almost.
16,600.
Okay, cool.
16, that's like
I was
3.
just hoping it wasn't like 55 or something.
This one is like $300. Okay, cool.
I'll just be charging for the
Yay.
trust, just pay this.
Alright, let's get. Alright, here we go. Good evening.
Like Las Vegas. So the owner of Robinson's created this.
So if this is worth 16,000, how much more for the deluxe? Or should the suite?
But it's not like paint.
Thanks to real coffee and real creamer. Coffee time, good morning. Look. Wow.
Sir, you're gonna find a taxi? Yes, sir. There's taxi with they're lighting up in the guardhouse. Banana Public Market.
Banana Public Market?
Yeah.
Where is that?
Car.
Mao na nino, nag-test drive na me. So far, he liked it, so we bought it. Oh, thank you.
Maybe this battery charger is dead. For sure. There's two.
My baby right there. Gisakay na namo sa barko with the other cars. Padulong og Bohol, gikan og Cebu. 7:45 ang mong biyahe, no? From Cebu to Tubigan. Tunga-tunga sa biyahe, kapoy na kaayo. Pero gora lang gihapon. Atong tingnaog na nagpabilin mi, ipauna na mo ang tanan para di mi magapil-apil sa kapiot. Hello, baby. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Mga around 10 na may nakahawa. Nag-security check pag yun. Tubigon to Davao is more than an hour and a half sa dang biyahe. Ayun, almost 12. Nakauli na good me. Guys. Abot na me. And that's how our night ended. Thank you mga loves for watching. See ya until next time. Bye-bye. Mwah.